Ever wondered how to capture the intensity of a Hollywood icon on paper? Let's bring Tom Cruise to life, one pencil stroke at a time. This is a drawing journey you won't want to miss. Welcome, fellow artists! If you're a realistic art fan, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now so you don't miss out on more tutorials and time lapses like this one. Alright, let's dive in. We're starting with a simple HB pencil to lay down our foundation. Just like a sculptor starts with a block of clay, we use the Loomis method to create a basic outline. Don't worry about perfection, this is just the blueprint. Now, let's map out the key features. I'm adding a horizontal line for the brows, one for the base of the nose, and one for the mouth. Notice how the bottom line for the jaw is a bit larger and angled up. That's to capture the unique angle of his face in this portrait. Every line here is about establishing proportion. With our guidelines in place, we can start sketching the features. Remember, at this stage, it's all about outlines and placement. Don't get caught up in the tiny details just yet. We're simply placing the nose, eyebrows, eyes, and mouth to get the right scale and position. Think of it as creating a rough draft. The fine-tuning comes later. This is a crucial step. I'm using a charcoal eraser to lighten up my initial lines. This makes it easier to add new details on top without the guidelines showing through. You can use any kneaded eraser you have. It's all about creating a clean canvas for our next step. Now for the fun part, adding the detail. I'm switching to a Staedtler Black 8B pencil. If you don't have this exact one, any 8B or even a 4B pencil will work just fine. We'll start with the right eye, then move to the nose, the left eye, and the mouth. Focus on building layers and creating depth. Notice how we're slowly building up the shadows and highlights to give the portrait a realistic, three-dimensional look. No portrait is complete without the hair. We'll start by sketching the main shape and defining the darkest areas first. This helps us create a sense of volume and texture. Think about the direction each strand is flowing and where the light would hit. For that touch of realism, I'm using an electric eraser to add some subtle highlights. Finally, let's finish off with the clothing. Just a few final touches to complete the entire piece. And there you have it, a portrait of Tom Cruise from start to finish. I hope you found this process helpful and inspiring. Now, I have a question for you. What other celebrity or movie character would you love to see me draw next? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.